Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to remove the gap in our Wix website. So here I am in my Wix website, and as you can see, there is a big gap right here. Sometimes this happens because when you move an element in your website, sometimes it will just have or create this big gap right here. So what you can do, so I don't recommend this, is you can just pull this up until you reach the very top of your website until you reach this. But that will take a long time. That is, you can do that, but that will be hard to do as well. So what you can do is you can click on this specific section right here. So make sure you are clicking the correct section, and then we have this toolbar right here, as you can notice. So we can change the height right here. If you don't know how to open this, just click on tools and click on toolbar, and then you will have this toolbar right here present in your website. So currently the height is in 2375. We can change this to a lower height, for example, maybe 1000, and we can now see that the gap has now changed, but the height didn't change from 1000 because the maximum height that it can have is 1257 because it has a strip right here preventing us from going to the 1000 height. So once I click on the strip, the height is 1022. But once I click on the section, it is 1257. So that is the maximum or like the minimum height for this section right here. So let's scroll down and we can see that there is a gap on here as well. So what we can do is, instead of dragging this arrow up, we can just click on our specific section. So make sure we are clicking this section right here. We can click on, we can right click and then click on overlapping items, click on the section, and we have the height is 2956. So we can change this, for example, into 1000 as well. And then we can now see that our gap has been reduced. We can change this further, for example, 500. But it will only take us into 886 since that is the minimum height that we are allowed for this section, because there is other items right here. There is a strip that is preventing us from changing the height even further. So that is how we remove the gap in Wix website, and I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.